What's the difference between normal and 5-star hotels? Normal hotels focus on basic needs and affordability, while 5-star hotels offer ultimate luxury and service. The star system helps you choose the perfect stay.
Welcome to our luxury hotel. Experience excellent service and beautiful rooms. Welcome to our hotel. Let us help you. These hotels usually have large and comfortable rooms, soft beds, modern bathrooms, and attractive interiors that make guests feel relaxed.
Now, let us look at a 5-star hotel. A 5-star hotel is designed to provide a luxurious experience. The rooms are usually larger and beautifully decorated. One of the biggest secrets of 5-star hotels
Welcome to our hotel. Let me help you with that.
is their excellent customer service. Here is your key. Enjoy your stay with us. They provide the highest level of comfort.
Hotels are classified from 1 to 5 stars. 1 star offers basic rooms. 2-star hotels provide increased comfort. 4 stars add dining and spaciousness.
Another secret is the wide range of facilities. Many 5-star hotels offer swimming pools, fitness centers, fine dining restaurants, conference halls, room service, and advanced security systems.
One secret of a 5-star hotel is its outstanding customer service. The staff are trained to treat every guest politely and solve problems quickly. Another secret is the wide range of facilities. Many 5-star hotels have restaurants, swimming pools, spas, fitness centers, conference halls, and room service. Welcome to our carefully maintained environment, where cleanliness and safety are always guaranteed, to provide a comfortable and secure space for all our guests. Many people think 5-star hotels are famous only because they are expensive. However, their real value comes from excellent service, comfort, and attention to small details.
People often choose 5-star hotels because they offer memorable experiences, from vacations and business meetings to weddings and special celebrations.
We can say that a 5-star hotel is not just a place to stay. It is a place where luxury, comfort, hospitality come together to make guests feel special.
Finally, a 5-star hotel provides premium facilities, exceptional hospitality, and a luxurious experience that makes guests feel truly special.